Alright, so in this video we are going to be discussing percents. Percents are another form of number that we commonly use in everyday math, and they typically do show up on aptitude tests. You may be required to perform percent-based calculations as well as percent conversions to and from other number forms. Typically that would be decimals and fractions. So what is a percent? A percent is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction out of 100. So we denote percents using the percent sign. Percents can be converted in the following manner. So essentially you would take the percent and write it as a fraction out of 100. So this is our formula for that. A percent equals A over 100. When we find a percent of a value, what you're doing is you're finding that fraction of the value. So you would convert the percent to a fraction and then multiply that to the value that you're trying to find the percent of. So our formula for that is A percent of B equals A out of 100 times B. So it's the same way that you would find a fraction of a value is you would multiply that fraction to the value. It's the same thing with percents. You would just turn the percent into a fraction first and then multiply. So we will revisit this formula later on in this lesson, but first, in our next video, what we're going to do is review percent conversions pertaining to decimals and fractions, because that is going to be important to know how we do that before we get into the calculations with percents.